Have you ever found yourself questioning whether a piece of code is safe to rewrite? It can be a real head-scratcher, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a specific coding question about type checking in C#. I totally get it. When you're deep in coding, every little detail matters, especially when it comes to type safety. You're not alone in this. Many developers have faced similar dilemmas. This is a common concern in the programming community. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, can typeof t is assignable from x.GetType be safely rewritten as x is t? They mentioned that while it seems trivial, there are corner cases, especially with COM objects, that could complicate things. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what's the crux of the issue? The user is concerned about whether rewriting this code could lead to different results in rare cases. Specifically, they pointed out that while both checks seem equivalent, COM objects might behave differently. Let's break this down. And stick around. I have a crucial insight at the end that could save you from potential pitfalls in your code. To determine if the user can safely rewrite the type check, we first need to understand the behavior of both methods. The user should note that using value is tvalue is generally more straightforward and readable. Next, the user should consider the implications of using COM objects. The is operator will properly handle COM interop by triggering a query interface, while IsAssignableFrom may not behave as expected with COM objects. Additionally, the user should be aware that IsAssignableFrom can be used in scenarios where type information is needed at runtime. This can be useful in reflection scenarios. Finally, the user should test both approaches in their specific context. They can create a few test cases, especially involving COM objects, to see if any discrepancies arise. Fun fact, did you know that the is keyword in C# is not just a type check? It also plays a role in pattern matching, making it a versatile tool in your coding toolbox. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. In this alternative approach, the user provides a code example demonstrating the differences between using is and IsAssignableFrom. They highlight that both methods are generally equivalent, except in specific cases like when dealing with COM objects. They also note that when the value is null, the behavior can differ slightly. Here's the insight I promised. Always be cautious when dealing with COM objects. If you're unsure, stick with the is keyword for type checks to ensure you're getting accurate results. And there you have it. You should now have a clear understanding of whether you can safely rewrite that code. Remember, when in doubt, always prioritize clarity and safety in your coding practices. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more coding tips, and don't miss our next video on advanced type checking.